Hey folks, this is Rich the Rhino Hunter, and today I'm at Rhino Linings in Preston to show you an example of Rhino Linings toughness. And we have a little experiment today. The left hand side is actually coated in the Rhino liner, the same stuff we put on the truck beds, and the right hand side is just the bare metal as your vehicle would come from the factory. Anyway, we're going to drag this behind a truck with two 80-pound bags of solder on, so you can just see how tough this stuff is and what a difference it can make to your truck bed when you have it installed here. Anyway, let's get on to the experiment and let's see what happens. Alright folks, off we go, and let's see if we can put this tough Rhino liner through its paces. Alright folks, so let's have a look and see what's happened, and see how tough this stuff is. Alright, let's flip her up, baby. Well, there we go folks, as you can see. Look at that. Right down here, we're down to the bare metal, and lots of damage. And on the right hand side here you can see the Rhino liners just scuffed up a bit, but still good solid protection for your vehicle. Now what a difference that makes. One good reason why to choose Rhino Linings in Preston.